When an elder loved one needs care, family and friends can step in to help, but there may be a point when your loved one needs professional care. How much will it cost? Depends on the level of care needed. In an assisted living facility, seniors can remain fairly independent, have their own living space, and receive various levels of medical care for an average cost of around $3,750 a month. A nursing home, which is a more hospital-like environment, will cost between $7,000 and $8,000 per month on average. Today, most seniors want to stay at home. In-home care services will cost in the neighborhood of $4,000 a month. To ensure that a senior loved one gets the right level of care, it's important to create a plan of care so everyone involved is prepared for just about any situation.